Sir Christopher and Sheena na ikaw yung pinakamagaling na seller na nakita nila?
Nung una, waiting na. I couldn't believe it. Ako kasi for me, I just wanted to, I do it because I love it and nag-i-enjoy ako. Siguro, yun lang talaga yung kailangan, that you don't really have to try super hard, you just really have to enjoy the whole process. Siyempre, nape-pressure, parang wait lang, but it's an honor, especially with Sheena's background, especially with live selling. That is just grabe. Parang si Oprah Winfrey yung nagsabi sa'yo, you're a great host. Right? So for me, wow, it's on a different level.
Thank you. For Miss Sheena naman, from Sanya, Janela to Miss Sheena, may conscious effort po ba na yung face ng Amarasya is puro babae? And ano yung message ng company na ganun?
Yeah, so it's a woman empowerment po. That's why. And then, jewelry kasi talaga, it's for us, it's like more on babae po talaga. Yes, opo.
Thank you so much, Nas. Now, let's have Miss Kate Adahar from Aranto Republica.
Hi, good afternoon. My question is for the husbands, for Sir Ian and Sir Eric. So both your wives are empowered women. So how does it feel and what do you appreciate most about them? Ano po yung...
Can you ask that question again, please?
Okay. So both your wives are empowered women, so they're very confident in the business. What do you appreciate most about them, and how does it feel to have an empowered woman?
Well, for men in general, para sa mga lalaki, responsibility po namin is to mag-provide sa pamilya, right? So, ang saying po namin is, I bring home the bacon. Ang ginagawa or responsibility ni Rona is cook the bacon, you know, for everyone. So I bring it home, she cooks it. But this time, pwede naman magpalit kami ng konti. Like, she could bring home the bacon and then kakain na lang ako. But I'm just kidding. First and foremost, like when I first got here, it's great to see my wife shine. Usually, ako yung nasa spotlight. And iba ngayon eh. Like, I feel very proud. There's a lot of pride coming from what I do, but translating it through her. Like, ako talagang streamer ako since 2018. So, ilang years po yan? 8 years ako nagla-live stream. Pero when I saw her do it, man, I was like, far out. I've been streaming for 8 years. At meron siyang mga diskarte na ginagawa sa live stream na di ko ginagawa. So meaning she's really putting her own soul, her own mind, her own tactics in live selling. Because hindi pwedeng maganda ka lang. Kailangan talaga matalino ka pa. Or marunong ka mag-entertain. Hindi pwedeng English lang, ha? Kailangan may Tagalog din. Kasi yung mga viewers natin, hindi puro Englishero. And walang translation yan. Pero the way she explains the knowledge that she now has in 3 months, I'm flabbergasted talaga. Like, sobrang gulat ako na marami siyang alam tungkol sa diamonds. And that's why, just like I go back to this, the first part is, I'm just very, very proud to see her stand, not in the spotlight, but stand alone na wala ako. Kaya-kaya niyang gawin yan. Even to a point where she will even exceed, or already, 3 months, she's already passed me. And that what I've done in 8 years. Grabe, ang galing niya. So, I'm very proud of her.
Ayan, so for me, ever since naman kasi mataas talaga ang respect ko sa mga babae. Especially sa mga mother. So, actually, amazing nga ako sa kanila. Kasi yung pinagdaanan nila from giving birth dun pa lang talaga taas ng respeto ko. So, yung vision nila na empowering woman, si Sheena, yung ano niya, ako sumusuport lang talaga. It's like I'm the foundation and sila yung gumaguide dun sa amin ngayon. So, hindi naman siya madaling i-adapt. Kasi alam mo yung macho bravado sa men na ikaw dapat na mag-lead sa, especially sa bahay din, sa padre de pamilya. But sa generation ngayon, I think there's always parang equal lang actually. Minsan nga, mas ano pa nga sila. Kumbaga, tiger na nga, but they are the trainer. So ayun, nakakamiss lang. Thank you.
Thank you. And for Ms. Sheena and Ms. Rona, ano yung advice niyo to other women out there who wish to start businesses and be their own girl boss?
For me, you have to start with the passion. And kasi kung wala yung passion mo with what you are doing, talagang mapapagod ka and talagang susuko ka pa din. And of course, you have to pray. Kasi kung wala yon, you have the prayer and you have the faith. Kasi kapag wala talaga yon sa business talaga, it's really not easy. Hindi talaga siya, and you have dapat the patience. Kapag meron ka niyan, the faith, the love, and the passion, sobrang success ka talaga niyan. Thank you.
Sorry bang beauty queen yun, I love that. Like what I mentioned earlier talaga na sa business naman, even men knows that businesses, it thrives talaga. Hindi yan magiging bongga kagad on your first day or first month. It will get tough. Pero tulad nga ng sabi ni Sheena na with prayer, with a great support system, and huwag kang ma-discourage lahat. Sa lahat ng yung hirap, it's going to be a journey. You just have to enjoy the whole journey and learn from it. Don't be discouraged, just enjoy and embrace. And yeah, it's worth it. Try it talaga. You really have to. Kasi me growing up, ako yung rebelde in the family. Because I always want to live my life without regrets. So if this is something that I wanted to do, I'll try it. If it doesn't work out, hey, I did it, right? So, no regrets, YOLO. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You only live once. All right, now let's hear it from Mr. McRichard Paglikawan of Lionheart TV.
Hello, good afternoon. Congratulations, ma'ams. So, for Miss Rona and Miss Sheena, so question ko, was there a specific goal or message you both wanted to express through this collaboration?
Sure. Actually, yung message ko lang, it's more of what our collectors or clients can look forward to now that we have collaborated. So, parang if you guys follow Amara's page, talagang they have poured all of their love, even investment money, sweat, tears, everything into making sure na yung mga clients talaga masisiguro nila na quality yung diamonds or the jewelry that they will purchase from, Amara Shia. So that's the same thing that the clients can now also expect from Sephira by Amara. Like the same authenticity, same fun, same energy, but elevated. Yon. Kasi nga, they're investing so much in growing this industry, but with the right mindset talaga na hindi sila, they don't want to bring others down. They really want to bring and lift everybody up. So expect elevated luxury moving forward.
Was there a specific goal or message you both wanted to express through this collaboration?
For me po, mas ma-entertain niya yung mga client talaga. Like, kaya nga kagaya sa akin, not everyone, papanoorin nila ako. Pero siya, when you scroll down, like sa live selling kasi kapag nanonood ka ng live selling, and then you will scroll down, lalabas din yung mga ibang live seller eh. So siya, as Rona, as a Sephira, nakitaan ko talaga na the client will really stop to her because of her personality.
Thank you, ma'am. Another one is, since kanina, Miss Sheena, parang may pa-teaser ka na soon maglalabas kayo ng parang collection. Yes. Miss Rona, kahit pa-teaser lang, how do you think, paano yung magiging design mo, aesthetics or signatures na gusto mo makita for this collection? If magkakaroon ka ng collection, ano yung parang gusto mong makita or maging tatak na rin?
Actually, marami akong peg for my collection. Kasi lahat naman yan magaganda, di ba? But for me, I like things that are raw and parang not too polished. So for my collection, I want like, syempre gold. Gusto natin ng gold. Yan ang tumatas, di ba? But I want it raw and talagang it will shine on its own. Kahit na hindi siya yung super polished. How do I describe? Yeah, parang yung, it's like rough edges. That's how I want it to be. Talagang makikita mo yung ganda niya, kahit hindi siya sobrang perfect na ano. That's the kind of collection that I see myself presenting to the world. Not just the Philippines, but the world.
Thanks, Miss Rona. Miss Sheena, may pwede ka pang idagdag? May pwede ka pang idagdag, Miss Sheena?
Sorry po?
May pwede pa po ba kayo idagdag sa sinabi ni Miss Rona?
Wala na po.
Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations sa collaboration.
Alright, thank you so much. So parang it would shine because of its own imperfection.